Today I'm going to laser engrave this Guidesman knife. Not the case, because the case is not... The case might be real leather, but I'm not going to do the case. This is pretty nice. Looks just like a buck. I want to say is this 403 or 405 stainless steel, I'm not sure. A folding pocket knife. I'm going to have to Google that and make sure I'm right on that. But I know it's like the 4 number. I think it's 403 or 405. Looks pretty sharp. I'm going to just laser engrave Dad on here. It's going to be a present from my father. See what happens. If you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that I kind of do a template. And when I do, you can use a caliper. Or you can use just a tape measure. And you got inches on one side, and you got centimeters, and these machines do everything in centimeters. So, what I'm measuring from the wood, it is 17 millimeters high. It's going to be curved, so I'm going to put that at 15. And for the length, actually, I'm going to do it at that rivet right there. So, yeah, about 12. I can try getting the letters in between, but it's not going to be fun. And it's only going to be like 35 millimeters wide. I may just do the 15. If it hits one of these brass rivets, it's fine. Let's see what happens. So 15 by 30 is what I'm going to go for the square size. So you make that shape in the machine, the software. Also, I have this machine off, so I'm moving it manually. Focus point is about 2 inches, and that's what I got her on. So that's pretty nice. Now let's move over to the software side. Where I am going to take and tell it a new layout. Uh, 15 wide and 30 wide and 15 high. Let me show you this real quick. So I tell it to create automate shape. So if you're just now getting into laser engraving, this is what I do. I set the margin to 0 and I tell it okay. So this box here, when you engrave it, you see how I have this stuff. You set your design in that area so you know where it's at. You can actually take a measure from bottom to top. So you have your top number, and then put your lettering in the bottom 17 millimeters. You can see maybe in these boxes here along the side here, it should tell you. And then on the bottom here, where you're at, it'll tell you your millimeters and stuff. So you can do pretty precise measurements that way. So we're gonna do, I may recreate this shape a little bit higher and then go from the bottom up. Even though it's a little slanted, but not really. We'll go that way, that route. That way it's more precise. And I'll cut to the next video. So I increase the size, and now I am going to create the template for engraving this. Now in the program with laser draw, I tell it to go to cutting and speed for 20. It doesn't have to be 20, it can be faster, doesn't matter. Okay, I told it to stop. I don't need it to go back. So I have my shape. I'm just going to type in a letter. Let's go to text. I mean, all this stuff, if you want fancy letters and stuff like that, you need to do it beforehand. I haven't got this to support characters of different kind, so alright, so let's do down here at the bottom. Make that dad, and we're going to increase it like this. So let's see what happens. I'm trying to see. It's like 0 degrees outside, so it's kind of hard for me to see. The screens are invertible. It's not the greatest right now with it being so cold. Alright, you see millimeters on here to the left. So I total 33 high, and we want to go no more than 17 high for the lettering. So at the bottom here would be 33, and this right here, let's see here at the bottom, it says 32 now, right? So at the top here for the lettering, that's 25. So it's not quite big enough. So that's 8 millimeters high. And we have plenty of room. What did it say? Like 12 or 13 for the digits. So now we're at 22. So that would make it 8 and 11. So that makes it 11 millimeters high. Go a little bit like this. So it's not on the bottom of the knife. I'm going to put the knife right in here. I'm going to center it in between the two little brass fittings there. Hopefully you can see this. I'm going to zoom in. Go center it. Using the space heater right now for heat in the shop here. We are out of heat today. So this is what it's going to look like right there. It's a $20 knife, so I'm kind of hoping that I don't mess this up. Actually, why don't I just engrave this first to see where it lines up at? Because I hate to go buy another $20 knife. You know, $20 is not terribly expensive, but make the mistake once and you add up. So, speed's at 250. Just kind of want to see, make sure it lines up how I want it. Probably not high enough to see. More little blocks there. There we go. Now you can see her. Hey, if you like my video, leave me a comment. If I'm helped you out with laser engraving, I appreciate it. So let me know. If there's anything else you'd like me to try working on. Everything I do, I pretty much learn on my own. Everything's trial by error. Alright, so the dad's there, and now I can just line her up how I want it right here. See? That almost would make it a little too low. I can even take the knife and expand it like that, you know. Line her up just right. As long as you don't get cut. I think that right there would be alright. That's a little straighter. Now let's see what she does. I got the power on at 20. Hopefully this is real wood and not just some veneer finish. We'll find out pretty soon. Probably line the knife on the opposite side and do the same thing. And dad on both sides. It is marking pretty deep and dark. I like that. I'll show you when it gets done here. Just a second. Check that out. That looks nice. And it is real wood. I thought it would be like a vinyl finish, but it's real wood it looks. So that's pretty cool. I could probably clear coat that real quick. Let's do the other side. What do you say? Just dad on one side or dad on both sides? I may just leave dad on one side. Well, let's just leave it like that. I'll get a nice little picture for YouTube. Check that out. Don't that look neat? Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy my rambles. It's frigid out here in Illinois. I'll see you next time.